Hey everybody, it's Luke Newcomer here with the Newcomer Group, and today I'm going to give you a private property tour of 206 12th Street. We're in the heart of Vilano Beach. Atlantic Ocean, the beach right behind me with access. Now this home was built in 2001. The same owners live here who built it. It's been well maintained, loved, cared for ever since inception. Now before I take you into this 2,200 plus square foot home, I got to show you this amazing landscaping, this amazing 100 by 100 size lot, great deck spacing, all natural Florida vegetation, which makes it easy for you to maintain. Big fence for privacy. I mean, this is the ultimate cottage beach home for you. Well maintained, zoysia grass, big fencing, gorgeous flower beds. I just want to walk this property with you really quick before we go inside. We're going to step into the shade, give you a little vibe of the downstairs setup. Let's say you come off the beach, you get off the boat, you want to keep the mess outside, you want to wash off the dogs because you just got done playing fetch. You got this awesome incognito outdoor shower straight underneath the staircase. I absolutely love that feature. All block construction on the first floor, frame on the second floor with hardy plank siding. You come on upstairs to the deck. Ultimate cocktail lounge, morning coffee, hangout area. It's a very grand entrance you'll find. You can't see it, but you can hear it and you can feel it. Right behind you is the Atlantic Ocean. You put a crow's nest up here, that vegetation was cut a little bit, you'd have unreal views of the Atlantic Ocean. Again, you're super close. You've got great deck space, nice covering. I mean, this is the ultimate barbecue lounge, cocktail lounge, happy hour. Put a little outdoor fireplace here. So obviously this exterior is beautiful, well maintained, unreal. Let's go inside and check out the floor plan. Step inside the AC. So as you walk into this home, greeted with a nice open living space. You've got the kitchen set up over here. You got a sink with the window, gas range stove, prep sink on the island, nice large pantry for storage, all living space here, super high ceilings, which creates amazing volume. Okay, so this is where all the fun's happening. You can be in the kitchen, you can be in the living room. Keeps everybody kind of together, which is obviously what you want when you're living by the beach. Great coastal setup. Off to our right, we're going to be entering into the master bedroom. Huge master bedroom, tons of space, tons of natural light in here. Got his and her closets. Big soaker tub with the window, his and hers sinks, water closet, big shower. You walk out of the master, you've got a nice size full bathroom, full bedroom you can check out. We're going to take the stairs down to the first floor. This is such an ideal floor plan. I love the big windows, the natural light. We're coming down to the first floor. Just came from the second, so there was 2 bedrooms up there. We've got a third down here. 2 garages, both oversized, plenty of parking for the cars, beach toys, surfboards. You've got tons of closet space underneath these stairs. There's no shortage of storage in this home. Bedroom 3. Great space, great setup. Nice and calming down here, really quiet and cool. Nice to escape these summer heats. As you walk through the third bedroom, we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom, nicely finished sink. I mean, it's a great setup. I mean, truly. And you come through this third bedroom, Jack and Jill, out into this bonus room, second living room if you've got family, guests visiting. Maybe a virtual homeschool, home office. It's just an amazing bonus room, as they call it. And you've got access to the outside of this property on a 100 by 100 size lot. All right, you guys, you saw this amazing lot, local Florida vegetation. You've seen the inside of this home. It's been well loved on since 2001, perfectly maintained. The only thing we got to do next is get you through it personally, because you've got to see it to really believe it. This is coastal living, perfect maintenance. It's the lifestyle that you've been looking for. I want to get you through it. I want to help you guys out. You can call or text me at 904-599-5633. Address is 206 12th Street here in Vilano Beach, St. Augustine. Thanks, guys.